Well, we've got another hot one on tap today, and we're wrapping up May. We are wrapping up meteorological spring, 3-month blocks. And beginning tomorrow, not only is the Atlantic hurricane season, but also meteorological summer. And boy, does it feel like it out there already. Keeneland shows a beautiful situation here. We just got a few little limited puffy cumulus clouds out there, and the max track is clear. Keeping an eye off to the northwest, though, as a cold front drops in later on in towards the middle of the week, we will see a rising chance for showers and storms. Now, for today, they're all off to the northwest, but there is an enhanced risk to slight risk for severe storms runs from up through central Michigan all the way down toward the panhandle of Texas. And then tomorrow, notice how there's a slight risk over Ohio running northeast. We have this marginal risk that cuts off here, but does include the Ohio River. And then into Thursday, it flips and it's into our southeastern counties. There's a reason for that. We've got a cold front dropping in. It's slowly going to settle in. And we will see a rising chance for showers and storms, but it could come in a couple of waves. Initially, the round this afternoon, the severe threat stays off to our northwest, Illinois, possibly Indiana. Now tomorrow, that front settling in, so into the afternoon, there'll be another round of storms developing. Those could be strong into the afternoon, early evening across southern Ohio, Indiana. By the time they get in here late tomorrow night, I think they'll be weakening, but we could have some stronger wind gusts out of a few of them. Then we've got this low spinning up along this stalled frontal boundary that should develop yet another round of showers and storms. The models are having trouble latching on to exactly when they'll develop. There could be a morning round and followed by development along that front. Into our southeastern counties, that marginal risk for severe storms. A few storms could produce some damaging wind gusts into your Thursday there, south and east. We're already in the low to mid 80s. Yesterday, we hit the upper 80s. It's 67 for the dew point. That means the air is muggy. It literally feels like we're at the height of summer. Now, that 89-degree high yesterday was the warmest we have been in Lexington so far this year. Last time we had a high in the 90s was last August. We're going to get awfully close to, if not cracking that 90-degree mark for the first time today. Our normal high is 80, so yeah, about 10 degrees above average. And then, boom, we nosedive. After that front goes through and brings that storm chance, for those couple of days, mainly Wednesday night into Thursday, we will cool down significantly, but also set ourselves up for what could be a beautiful weekend. And talking about those average temperatures, this is meteorological spring beginning March 1st and then running through the end of May. 80 degrees, that's our average high today and tomorrow as we begin meteorological summer, June, July, August. But notice where we peak. 87 is the max normal high. That's where it levels off before it starts to drop off. So we literally have been a couple of degrees above where we typically max out for that normal high. So yes, it does feel like it's the height of summer, above normal temperatures here. This is interesting. As we get farther along into June, we're going to stay above average or pretty close to normal. Into the weekend, there may be a day or two where we go below it. But there are signs out there, at least towards mid-June, that there may be more of a cool down on the way. That's a ways out there, but by June 10th, we're showing below normal temperatures across much of the Ohio Valley. That bears watching. Maybe something to look forward to, a little change up as we head closer to mid-June. But if we break down everything that's coming our way over the next couple of days, obviously we've hammered that one home, that it's going to be on the warm and muggy side today with that shot at upper 80s around 90-degree highs. Mostly sunny into the afternoon, just the slightest chance of an isolated shower southeast. Now tomorrow, the storm chance. We're showing a low-end chance there, and if we look at the timing, it's mainly late in the day and into the evening. I think if we see much getting across the Ohio River, it would be probably after the evening commute and then later in the evening, and those will likely be weakening as they drop in. The better chance for more widespread coverage could very well come in Thursday, and it may come in a couple of rounds within Thursday itself. Showers and storms early on, and then that chance for some stronger storms into our southeastern counties. Notice temperatures dropping. We'll be in the 70s early on. That cold front passes through. We'll only have highs in the mid-70s Friday, so quite the drop from that near 90-degree high we'll see today. The weekend, as high pressure builds in, the temperature and the humidity dropping, it could be